Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eTrade for IRA rollover planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with eTrade for your IRA rollover planning, first, visit the eTrade website. Once on the home page, locate the Open an Account button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will then be presented with different account types. Select traditional IRA or rollover IRA based on your specific needs. Next, eTrade will prompt you to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name, address, and date of birth. Be prepared to provide your social security number for identity verification. After entering personal details, you'll need to create a username and password. Ensure your password is strong to secure your account. Once your login credentials are set, proceed to the next section on financial information. Here, specify your employment status and annual income. Additionally, you may need to identify your investment experience. This information helps eTrade tailor account options to your needs. Next, review your beneficiaries. Choose who you would like to inherit your IRA upon your passing. After completing this section, proceed to read and accept the account agreements and disclosures. It's important to understand the terms and fees associated with your account. After agreeing, you'll need to provide funding instructions. You can choose to fund your IRA through various methods, including direct transfer from another account. Follow the prompts to enter necessary details for the transfer. Once all information is entered, review your application for accuracy. Ensure that all personal and financial details are correct. Finally, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email with further instructions on completing your rollover. Check your email regularly for updates from eTrade. Once your account is active, log in to your eTrade account to manage your investments. Familiarize yourself with the platform and the tools available for IRA management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.